Henan Xintai Aluminum Industry Company Limited was established in 2001, which locates in Hui Guozhen Industrial Zone of Gongyi City, Henan Province. The factory occupies 227,305 square meters with 1,931 professional staff. Henan Xintai is an ISO 9001 certified and ISO 14001 certified company. With the business development and technical improvement, Henan Xintai owns 400,000 tons capacity per year for different aluminum sheets, aluminum coils, aluminum circles, and other relative products in alloys 1 series, 3 series, 5 series, 6 series, and 8 series. Equipped with 1 hot rolling line, 40 continuous casting lines, 8 cold rolling lines, 16 annealing furnaces, 3 roller coating lines, 6 tension leveling lines, 4 cutting machines, as well as some other relative equipment, Henan Xintai is able to produce mill finish aluminum sheet and coil, tread plate, coating aluminum sheet and coil, aluminum circle, aluminum thick plate, PCB, which are used for construction materials, cookware, electronic products, mechanical production, auto parts, shipbuilding, and aircraft. Henan Xintai exports about 30% of its annual capacity per year to North America, South America, Europe, Southeast Asia, Eastern Asia, Africa, Mideast, etc. Henan Xintai takes pride in its professional technicians, hard-working workers, and intelligent sales and after-service. Henan Xintai welcomes customers all over the world to visit us for achieving win-win business.